With social media is very difficult if you're starting it, and it depends, I think, on the business you're starting. It depends what you're trying to find out. But what I was also found is customers don't always know what they want until you give it to them. So you have to, you really have to think deeply about what it is that you are trying, what you are doing in the first place. Because a lot of people seem to think that social media will answer their business problems, is the answer to their business issues. But what is the core of what you do? For me, that is a fundamental thing. And then social media may be another layer that you decide to add. It should, well, some businesses are dependent on it. But I think if you are Facebook or you are Twitter, yes, that is your core business, right? But I think that if you are selling cars, I don't know if social media is your, is a place that you really need to play that much into. I think that is a nice to do, yes, but I don't know how much you benefit, I think, out of that. And it's weird because I'm very active on it, and for someone to sound like I'm dissing it, I just don't see how beneficial, honestly, it is to many businesses. Nike, for example, I don't think they need it. They post things there sometimes because, well, people. But in their instance, though, which is great, is that if you're a sneakerhead, they've dropped a new sneaker and it sits, and then, these different blogs will post and, yeah, on Instagram. That helps you, I think, because what happens if you like sneakers and I say, oh, flip, that is a great sneaker. Where did you get it? I post whatever I like. That creates that kind of community. But if your intent is about your community and not to sell, I think that could be different. But I just worry that no one has really truly figured out social media, and a lot of people assume or think that they have because you had one successful campaign or two successful campaigns, and then you think you haven't because you just had two successful campaigns, right? And then can you do that over 10, 20? Can you do it over 3 years? No. On many occasions, the strike rate is so low. So I don't know many people who have figured it out. And that is, for me, like the most difficult thing to acknowledge and admit, that I don't know many people who have.